Greetings, everybody, earthlings and aliens alike. I am the Crypto Crow. So for the longest time, well, and I still feel this way about Ripple. I don't like Ripple. I have never liked Ripple. And, it's just, I don't like the nature of Ripple, right? And I see so many newcomers wanting to buy into Ripple because it's cheap and, a lot of people that got in really early, they're always talking about it and plugging it and just doing what they do, which, I'm the same way, in the sense that, like, I love Cardano, and Cardano is my favorite coin of all. That's that's just not changing. I have absolute belief and faith in Cardano, over 2018. Now, recently, and I talked about this in a previous video last night, and hopefully my audio is better today. I redid the whole thing, so hopefully I'm loud and proud for you guys. And I didn't have to hire a sound guy, so I tested it and it seemed pretty okay. So we'll see. And I didn't even bring my microphone all the way to my face. It's kind of maybe a foot away from me. So we'll see. So anyway, however, one of the developers or the creators of Ripple created Stellar Lumens. Now, I'm going to show you guys something that was sent to me recently, because I talked about it briefly yesterday, and then this morning I did a bunch of digging on it to find out a little bit more. And let's see here. So, where is it? So this was sent to me in an email, and the guy said, I listened to this. You can tell by the call he's talking about Cardano. And then I started listening, and it's basically this bald guy, Jim Rickards, who's all over news media and everywhere, basically. He has been for a while, talking about cryptocurrency, but not from I'm all about crypto, let's go crypto, but more like, a lot of it's a bunch of bullshit, right? And I guess a lot of people look to this guy for financial advice. And so he put that. Now, here's the thing that I don't like about this. I did not buy this guy's report. So he basically, this whole thing.
I have financial expert Jim Rickards with me. Let's jump right into this because this is insanely urgent. As you know, a few days ago, Jim Rickards told me that he's ready to make his first ever cryptocurrency recommendation.
All right, so good for him. Now, the problem is he wants you to drop $2,000 to find out what that recommendation is. And he talks about the 70 cents. The 70-cent crypto game changer can make you a fortune in 2018 starting next Monday. And this just came out a couple days ago. First of all, somebody that's wanting to charge you $2,000 for one pick, hopefully it's to buy a hairpiece. I mean, I'm just saying. That to me just blows my mind. And the thing of it is I know that a lot of people who have no clue what they're doing with crypto are probably paying this guy. And you know what? If it makes them a bunch of money, then money well spent, right? But, I started doing some digging on this guy. Who is this Jim Rickards? What's his deal? And if I just punch up his name, he just shows up everywhere. I mean, he's an author, and he's just, I don't know, like, maybe I would put myself a blowhard, right? Maybe I'm a blowhard. But he's one of these guys that basically sells, I don't even know, advice. All right. Which is fine, but from somebody who has been, really not in the space for very long at all, and just kind of talking about, how crypto's bullshit and it's all a big, 99% of crypto is a scam and all this other stuff. I wouldn't say 99%, but like I've said in the past, I mean, he's close to right in the sense that, like, if 100 ICOs come out, I'm only investing in maybe 3 to possibly 5 in a month. So anyway, I was digging more and more into what this guy's talking about, trying to figure out, because the person that sent me the email to begin with was basically saying, I know this is Cardano. Well, I was finding stuff like this. IBM's stellar move. Tech giant uses cryptocurrency in cross-border payments. And if I look up, so what Rick is talking about, or Jim, sorry, what he's talking about a lot of is this whole relationship between IBM and this magical cryptocurrency that's going to go to the moon here very soon. It could start as early as next Monday. Now, to me, next Monday means jack shit, because I think this guy is just trying to establish some FOMO. Buy my $2,000 guide and I'll tell you what it is, right? And so for those of you, like, I've seen guys like Supoman, you know, it's like, what's my big pick right now? Join my crypto course for $10. I mean, like, and then I would see a bunch of people complain, like, oh, you're selling your pick. That's terrible. Look, this guy's charging you $2,000 for the same thing. Give Supoman a break, okay? That's all I'm going to say there. I haven't done that, but it's a good idea. I mean, you know, I try to give, you know, as much as I can for free, because I just think a lot of this should be free. So to charge $2,000 for one pick, I mean, that to me is absurd. Anyway, I'll try to leave that alone. So anyway, so I started looking up IBM. What's IBM up to? What are they doing? What are they planning? And just to make a long story short, I don't think it's Cardano that this guy's talking about. I think it's Stellar Lumens. And so I went and I bought like 3,600 of them. See what happens. I mean, you know, I was doing, here's the thing. When I bought, Cardano was actually very fast too. I will say that. Cardano was like, boom, I bought it, I sent it, and it was right at my wallet. Stellar did the same thing. So maybe this is going to be a race between Stellar Lumens and Cardano for 2018. I don't know. But you know what? If they're I need to go back. I want to go back in and start doing some more research on what is Cardano up to, because I admittedly have not had the time. I want to kind of get an idea as to what sort of partnerships are they establishing. Are they working on partnerships? What are they doing to start bolstering the value of the coin? And I'm going to start updating everybody on that. But, you know, look, when you've got a guy who created this centralized currency, having also been the spearhead for this decentralized version of a currency, this I can put my money behind, because this is blockchain tech. Ripple to me is like, it's just a bullshit coin to try and help the big banks get some control in the space. That to me is what Ripple is. Stellar Lumens, on the other hand, is it's kind of a different animal, and it's more in line with what blockchain is all about. So I went and I bought some last night. I bought 3,650 of them. And we're going to see what happens. But overall, and this isn't a big review or anything. I just kind of want to let everybody know this is something that I did because I listened to this and I'm like, you know, every point the guy makes is valid. And when you listen to it, he could be talking about Cardano. I don't know. I'm not giving the guy $2,000 to buy a new hairpiece to find out. So, you know, IBM stellar move. If you look up a lot of the stuff that's going on with IBM, I mean, it's been no secret that IBM's been working with Stellar Lumens. But this guy is saying that IBM is working on an exchange that somehow that I guess Stellar Lumens is the seed of. I mean, it's like a big part of this whole thing that IBM is getting ready to announce here that could be any day. Look, I think Stellar Lumens, I'm sure, is going to continue to grow. I've been kind of watching it passively now for, I don't know, a good month. And I mean, it's growing. It's only 11:30 in the morning, and I'm still tired. I got a great night's sleep, though, I'll tell you that. I got my new CPAP machine last night. I got the Dream Station, and it's like this little unit about this big, and it's all pretty, and I got it set up on Bluetooth to my phone, and it basically told me my mask fit 100%. I got 7 hours of solid good sleep, and so it's pretty cool stuff. I'm pretty happy about that. And I'm losing weight. So since I've been off of the testosterone, I'm down to like 283. Like, I've lost like 8 pounds. My wife's like, it's probably all muscle. So what's funny is like, my wife is such a fitness nut. And yeah, I'm going to ramble for a second. My wife is such a fitness nut. Keep in mind, she was a competitive gymnast for 10 years. She's competitive in everything she does. Like, she's a real estate broker now. But she was a personal fitness trainer for 10 years. And she competes in ballroom dance. She competes in salsa. And And so, you know, anytime we go out, she's so fit and like just gorgeous. I mean, she really is. She's stunning, I will admit. But I always joke with her because I'm like, because we'll get ready to go out and she just looks like $1 million. I'm like, great. So tonight I get to be the rich husband, because it's like, you know, she looks so great. I'm just this big ogre kind of walking with her. Like, you know, you know how you see a couple, you see this gorgeous woman with this like fat slovenly like dude, and you're like, oh, he must be rich. Yeah. So I've been joking with her for years about how I'm her rich husband. This year it's actually probably going to be true. So, anyway, hopefully Stellar Lumens helps play into that. I really don't know 100%. But it's definitely something worth looking into. And look, the coin's at 63 cents right now. So, you know, if whether it's Cardano that this guy's talking about or Stellar Lumens, either way you slice it, putting a little bit of cash into either one of them. Cardano for me is still my bread and butter. That's the one that I'm really counting on to do huge things over 2018. But I don't see any problem putting a little cash into Stellar Lumens and seeing what happens. So, and for those of you, before I cut this video, for those of you who saw my video on Play to Live, you know, and I see that you're making comments, but the idea is tweet about the channel and then post the link to your tweet in the channel. Also, another quick note, I've been getting more notifications from you guys, and I greatly appreciate this, that some troll, this douchebag who's running around trying to scam people pretending to be me, he's set up a YouTube channel that says Crypto Crow in the name, and he's using my picture, but if you look closely, his email is not my email. It's not the same email address, and he's changed it. So he has two now. He's like Crypto Crowler, LER, and then he's Crypto Crow 008 or something. So look, anytime you see something, especially if you see anything that you think might be me using my picture and my name, you guys know, like those of you who've been following me for a while, you guys are on it. Like, you guys get it. You know how I operate, and you know this douchebag isn't me, and so you're alerting me. And then I'm going in, and then I'm reporting what I find. First of all, I don't have the time to run around commenting on other people's videos. So I just don't. Like, every once in a blue moon, I will. Like, I asked that Doug Polk when he left Blink 182. Because he kind of ribbed me in one of his videos, so I just kind of poked a little fun at him. Because I think he looks like one of the dudes from Blink 182. So I was just like, when did you leave the band? So, but you're not going to find me running around YouTube asking people for money or to make investments in my mining company or whatever the hell this scammer's trying to pull. But report that stuff, man. Report that to YouTube. I don't know what kind of power they have in like shutting this guy down, blocking his IP from the network. I don't know, but we need to figure out, because this guy's getting kind of out of hand. And, I know some of you guys are saying I should be flattered. Yeah, cool. I love it when scam artists are trying to impersonate me. It's fantastic. But we need to shut this troll down, like, soon. So don't get this douchebag any money, and make sure, hopefully all of you guys are smart enough to look into this guy and make sure, hey, check his email address. I've done a couple videos now. I've talked about him several times. So hopefully, I don't want to run into a situation where, this guy's running around, he scams one of you guys, you think it's me, and then you're blowing my channel up talking about how I stole all your money. I don't want that happening. So, just, be safe, guys, and help me police if you don't mind, when you see this kind of stuff. So I just wanted to do a quick video talking about this, Stellar Lumens, Cardano, possibly, though I don't think he's talking about Cardano. But do some reading on it. Do some reading on IBM. Start, Google IBM, Cardano maybe, IBM, Stellar Lumens, see what kind of stuff you pop up. As you guys know, I'm not a financial advisor or anything. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, so do your own research and see what you come up with. And if you make a buy, let me know. I'm curious to see how many, what your guys' thoughts are once you have looked into this. And I want you guys, you can listen to this. I'll post this link to this guy's audio thing, so you guys can listen to it and tell me what you guys think. All right, until next time, crow your coins, guys. I love all of you, and I thank you for being here. Thank you so much.
Greetings, everybody, Earthlings and aliens alike. I am the Crypto Crow. So, for the longest time, well, and I still feel this way about Ripple. I don't like Ripple. I have never liked Ripple. And, it's just, I don't like the nature of Ripple, right? And I see so many newcomers wanting to buy into Ripple because it's cheap.
I'm not recording. You're good. Oh, that's right. She's home with food.
People that got in really early. They're always talking about it and plugging it and just doing what they do, which...
Perfect timing, because I just finished.
I swear, my mom must have got me sick or something. And I